Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a long time, almost 6 months, right? I'm still trying to catch up, So what is going on? I hope this bike is not too loud. I never make an unveil video of this because this was not very special to me because I want the factory edition. So this is the RSV4R. I will talk to you. This is the signal. And this is fucking hot bike. But in 6th gear, and let's stop. So this was the RSV4R APC edition. So this has all the electronics and everything. Only I don't get the Öhlins suspension, Öhlins damper, and Öhlins rear suspension. And that's all the difference. And a little bit the airbox was different. That's all. But the Öhlins and everything is, and the wheels, these wheels are different, and compared to the factory wheels are much lighter and much more smoother. So that's the reason I have this bike for a very short time. I didn't make any special unveil video, but something is going to come soon. And I already sold this bike, so I changed the spark plugs. I did the full service, and I didn't disconnect the battery. That's the issue. And now service light is on, so I have to go to dealer to remove the service light because I don't have the ODP connector. So once I remove the service light, this bike is sold, and he's going to go to a new home, and I think he's going to take care of this bike because he loves Aprilia. So let's hope so. So I have this bike for a very short journey, like a month or so, like riding wise, but I don't want to sit in between cars. Let me go front. Let me go to third lane because I don't want to ride. I don't want to ride not fast. I like to ride below the speed limit right now. This bike is super duper loud with the AC Progen. It's crazy loud. So I don't want to get any trouble with any cops or anyone. So that's an easy plan. But this bike is quite powerful. What happened to me? I was stuck in Corona situation. I went for, I think, 20 days vacation, and end of March I spent almost 6 months. In March I went there for the 20 days vacation. I was planned to come back in April, but I was stuck for 6 months there. So that sucks a lot, And then I have to spend 14 days here in quarantine. That was super duper bad. In quarantine, 14 days, you cannot go out, you cannot do any shit. You are basically locked, you can say, in home and just watch movies or any shit. But thank God I have some work, so I did most of the work in my free time, and I watched a little bit Netflix and other. Mostly I do I watch the bike topics and time pass my time, So I love bike too much, So this is my last ride on the RSV4. After this, she's gone. This is very sad. At the same time, I need the money for something new, So we are going to say goodbye to this beauty. See her soon in our group rides because one of my friend, he's buying the bike. So of course I'm going to see this bike a lot, but of course it's not going to be my bike, so that's the thing. It's a sad day for me, you can say, basically, but at the same time I'm happy she's going to good home, So that's what the update is. I know this is very short video. I'm still very busy with my work, and I'm trying to catch up, A lot of pending work, a lot of shit is going on in my life, and I need to do a lot of shit. So I'm trying to be chill pill, relaxed. From the past 3 days I'm working straight up like 16-17 hours and hardly I'm getting any sleep. So that's the situation right now. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out. And many more videos are going to come now since I'm back. So I hope you enjoyed this video.